Good morning, listeners of Hot Topic and Fresh News. Today, August 22nd, 2024, we have crucial updates coming to you from around the globe. A devastating incident has occurred at a pharmaceutical factory in Andhra Pradesh, India, where an explosion has claimed the lives of at least 17 people and injured around 40 others. The blast was so severe that it caused bodies to be severed and scattered across the site. This tragedy unfolded at the Escientia company in Anakapal district, roughly 350 kilometers northeast of Amaravati, the state's capital. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi has extended his condolences and announced financial support for the victims and their families. This incident highlights ongoing safety issues in factories across a nation that is a key player in global pharmaceutical manufacturing. Stay tuned for more details as this story develops. Hello, everyone! This is Emily, coming to you live from New York City.
And this is David, joining in from San Francisco.
You're listening to Hot Topic and Fresh News. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated with the latest news. Straight to the hot topics.
Can you detail the scope of the tragedy that occurred at the pharmaceutical factory in Andhra Pradesh?
Absolutely. The explosion was catastrophic, resulting in the deaths of at least 17 individuals. Bodies were found severed and scattered around the site, illustrating the blast's sheer magnitude. Additionally, around 40 others sustained severe skin burns from chemical exposure.
What have the authorities said about the cause of the explosion?
The initial investigations point towards a possible gas leak that reached an electrical panel, causing the explosion. However, officials are still examining CCTV footage and questioning victims to ascertain if human error also played a role in this tragedy.
How has the local community reacted to such a devastating event?
The impact was immediate and profound. Families of the workers rushed to the scene as soon as they heard about the explosion, desperate for any news of their loved ones. It's a deeply emotional time for everyone involved.
What steps has the government taken in response to this disaster?
The state government has ordered a thorough investigation into the incident. On a national level, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi has expressed his sorrow over the loss of lives and announced that financial assistance will be provided to the victims' families.
Given the frequency of such incidents, what does this say about industrial safety standards in India, especially in the pharmaceutical sector?
It underscores a problematic trend in the industry. Despite India being a major global player in pharmaceutical manufacturing, safety violations are alarmingly common. This tragedy highlights the urgent need for stricter enforcement of safety regulations to prevent such incidents in the future. Thank you all for joining us on Hot Topic and Fresh News today. We covered the tragic explosion at a pharmaceutical factory in India, and your engagement with these discussions is crucial. Please subscribe, activate notifications, and don't hesitate to share and comment. Your support helps us keep delivering these important stories.
And hey, remember, we're here with fresh insights every day. There's always something intriguing coming up, so make sure you're tuned in. You wouldn't want to miss what we have planned next, right?
Indeed, we deeply appreciate your time and attention. Looking forward to having you with us in the next episode.
Till then, keep the conversations lively and the debates healthy.
Stay in the loop, keep your eyes on the news, our channel's content will amuse.